Shut up and sit down.
Hey you scallywags, today we're looking at these two, Norinu Sentinel and Kaiho Defense Officer from the Republic of Yamato. Brand new faction from Acid Rain World, set somewhere in the East, Japan most likely, from the sounds of things and the looks of things. But really been looking forward to these guys. Usual stuff here. Box. Open this up. Here we've got Grey Crate. Nice Grey Crate. And in there, we have a bag here. And the figure. Let's get him out. Oh, look at him straight away. I knew I'd love this design immediately. And I do. Looks so good in person. And here we have the Kaiho Defense Officer. This guy looks burly, like a brawler. I was initially just going to get the Norinu Sentinel, but I thought, you know what, let me just go all in on this Yamato stuff. Get him out. Here's his crate. Greenish kind of crate we might have had with someone else before. And there's his bag and the figure. And here he is, the Kaiho Defense Officer, looking burly, like a brawler. I think these guys are brand new bucks. Let's take a look. So here's everything all laid out. The chest armor removed. Let's start with the Norinu Sentinel. Here we go. Look at this design. I love it. Just such a weird... that single eye there, which actually moves too. This thing comes off. Look at that. That's what he looks like underneath. And here, look, there's the eyeball bit, which you can take out if you want. So there you go. You can look inside there. It's got a little bit you can move it around with, but it is possible to move it from the outside anyway. So let's just get this face back on. Really love this sci-fi look for this head. Single eye there. Whole of this design is just really, really awesome. We've got all brand new parts here from the look of things. That neck is different. The shoulder pads here. Look at this forearm bit. It's got grooves there. Yeah, and these little plugs. All really nice. These bits here. The back, look at that. That's nice. That spine bit. Good detail underneath the armor. Here, look. Oh, these are awesome. The feet. And even underneath there. So none of this is reuse, I don't think. All looks like brand new molds. Right, so articulation. Got his head here. Does the usual. Moving wrong from the neck, really, but it does move from the head up there, on top of the neck. Goes down and up. Bit side to side there as well. Nice movement. This arm can go all the way up like that. Look at that. That's the best from Acid Rain, I think. Besides the Omanga. Look at that. That's a T-pose there if I saw one. Since when we were last able to do that on Acid Rain. And there is... Look at that. That's how it moves. See here, there is a bit of movement. There for like a shoulder roll. Which is more than your normal. It's almost like a butterfly joint. Works well. Goes around. And that goes up to there. This one. Yeah, it does. The right one goes in a bit more. I suppose that's appropriate, because this hand is going to be holding the guns. The sniper rifle in particular. This hand goes all the way like that, and left and right. Notice that colour and part separation there. On this side, it's the same colours, twists, but goes down and up, but still with the same colours, which is brilliant. So we'll have a little bit of movement up here. It's not very much actually, with the armour off. Let's take a look. Yeah. So not as much movement as I thought there'd be. Tiny bit though. Look. Big difference here though is the waist. Look at that dip and turn, twist. I think this is the first male figures that we've been able to have this waist dip. Look at that. The new Omanga one's coming out as a waist dip. Let's have a look. So this does go into the waist bit. Ah, see, that's different. Look at that. And this belt should just come off. There you go. See? See how the legs are different? Ah, it's got a little bit there. It plugs in. That's why it's so secure. Nice mechanism. Nice belt, this. Just plugs in there. Make sure you want to take it off because it's a bit finicky to put back on. And let's just pops back in. Right, here's Jean-Claude Norinu balls. See, look how that works. These are a bit more shallow than your normal ones. Look, there's a bit of a gap there. I think so. It has a bit more range of movement when it goes up due to the side pouches, maybe. Interesting decision though. And this ratchet joint goes up like that. Here, twist, the boot, nice design there, down, then up. That bit hinders it. And there is pivot. Come out of that bit there. Same for there. Here's his armor piece, which is really good. Then clips on there. Very nice. Pop this off. Head off to. We'll get this on. So only take this off really if you have to, because some of these things can be quite difficult to get back on. I just decided to take it off. There's my Kaiho defense officer. The armor plate wasn't on properly, so decided to take both these guys off. But I've got this tool to help me put these on, and it really helps. There, look. Nice and secure. This side too. There. And plus I think it looks better with this armor bit on. The same kind of movement anyway. Pop his head on. Neck. There, see, that looks a lot better in my opinion. This design is really good. It's a shame it's covering that spine bit though. Hey-ho. Right, let's check T-pose articulation. Arm goes up and still up further. The way that shoulder bit is done is actually pretty good. Goes over there, look. Amazing. All the way. Here's his arm shield bit, which is really nice. So that you can like plug in there if you want, or you can plug into the forearm there. It does though have the extra bit to make it more secure. Look, the groove bits on the forearm are there, so you can put accessories, I think, because look, that clips in and then goes around the wrist and then plugs in to this forearm bit. Look, see? So it's all flush. Look, secure there. That groove around the wrist, and then plugs in that hole there. It's a really good way of securing it, but it might be difficult putting his arm up like that. There, shield. What is a shield really? This gun, nice gun, looks good. Has this added extra bit you can take off if you want. Just put it back in. Goes in the hand very nicely. Look at that. Bam. This fits in here, I think. This is the storage bit for it. Might be a bit too small. Yeah, look at that. Kind of just comes out like that. Take this off though. Fits in, yeah, fits in better without that extra bit. Look. Here's a knife and sheath. There you go. Look at that. That fits in his hand perfectly. That goes back in. You can decide where to put this. I'm gonna have it here, facing down and like that, so you can grab it with his left hand. Here, this is kunai, I think. I just got the one. That also goes in his hands. A little bit rubbery, not too much though. And this I think goes in here. But it's a bit loose. Probably good it's rubber, a little bit rubbery then. Just push it in. Here's a sniper rifle, which has got a kind of classic look. Look at that. It's really, really good. And you'll just hold this in this hand. The hands are different. They're not your normal acid rain. So yeah, just hold like that. Snipe away. Yeah, looking really good. So let's check out the Kaiho Defense Officer minus his chest armor. This looking really good too. Does look a lot slimmer. That is chest bit. So yeah, this is the same really design as the Yamato, but in different colours. It looks really different though. Really like it how they've changed it up. So here its head does the same stuff, different head though. Looks good, does about the same amount of movement. This thing here, look, it's a bit rubbery, this bit. Comes down like that. So you can hold it maybe, like a helmet. This arm goes up like that. So yep, just like Mourinho can go up. Not as much though. Shoulders are different though, I think maybe that's why. All the way around. Twist there at the bicep, which I didn't do for Norinu. Same for him. And then he is... what? Hold on. Ooh, look! That moves as well. The forearm bit. Awesome! That will give it more movement. Hold on. Yeah, so you can do for Norinu as well, which is useful because of the shield bit, so you can move that out of the way. That's really good. I don't think any other Acid Rain has got that. So that can go up too. There. And that right one moves, again, seems like it goes a bit further than the left. I wonder if it changes with how you move that. A bit of movement up here as well, same with the waist. Left hand. Right one, same. Down and up, round. Jean-Claude! Kaiho balls. This, see how that leg moves there. Up. So you can angle it actually, so it goes a bit further up. This, up to there. Same movement. Down, up, pivot. There. So this guy I'm liking a lot more than I thought I would. Really, really good action figure. Alright, let's get this chest piece armor on, which makes him look more burly. This goes over. Now this has 4 bits to put in, which will already, I know, will be a bit of a pain. Because that has to go through. And then the bottom bit has to go through as well. Yeah. Right, so that was a bit more of a pain to do than the other, but I had to do it as it was a bit more loose out of the box. So this is more secure now. And I'll just clip in or pop in there nicely. His head. There. There. You see this? This T-pose. So it's not as good as Norinu because of the way the shoulders are made. So he's got this. His baton. Quite nice. You can hold it. Like that. Ready to bat people in the head. And there's storage on one of these. I think this one. Oh yeah, it's got to be that. Fits in perfectly there. This grenade thing. Different. There. Look at that. And this stores on the back. These are different to the grenades we've had previously, a bit longer. That fits in nicely though, look at that. And here's pistol. Yeah. Same as Norinu, but without the extra piece. This one has got a holster here on the side. That fits in really snugly, look at that. Lastly, his shotgun. Again, got that kind of classic old school look. There. That fits in well as well. Pop his hand. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, let's compare the two. So you like the way they've done the shoulder piece. It's like a separate armor piece, but it's part of the whole shoulder piece that comes off that we're used to with Acid Rain, just designed differently. Alright, let's get his rifle on. His hand. This new... Oh, that bends further back than I thought. Look at this. That bends back like that. The normal Acid Rain ones don't do that, because the back hand bit hinders it. So his is the same. Yeah, look, there's more movement for it to go up like that. Goes down, then all the way up. Let's get this in. So yeah, first impressions, loving these guys so far. Love those small little changes too. Right, so a few comparisons now. Steel Spear on the left with AWOC head and 40k figure on the right. Vengeance Type B on the left by Joito with Custom Brarios head and Rigo on the right. Bloodsbane and Esbat. From the left going right, Hero, Detective Smith and Void. Valdo to the left, Reborn Trooper, middle, Abaddon, NCO. So let's just compare some of these hands for Acid Rain. Here we've got Hero. New hand here from Kaiho, doesn't have a trigger finger. Here he does for Hero, like most of the Annex and Acid Rain world. Also with that moving up like that. Bit more range of movement for the hand going up, which is really good. This on manga. So this hand doesn't have a trigger either. Similar, but not the same. The hands feel different as well. So it looks like completely different hands. Right. Let's get a little bit of posing. Don't do too much. Hands still recovering. So you can get the necessary posing out of these guys. Let's try his pistol. Nah. See, good hole there on the pistol. Where the arms work. Same here. 7 kneeling. Yeah, so if you're interested in getting these guys, they are sold out on Peer Club, so find elsewhere where you can actually acquire these figures. There's 2 sets this month as well, of November. The Norinu Machine Gunner is out, but currently also sold out on Peer Club, even though he's not released yet. So you may have to acquire the Norinu Machine Gunner elsewhere if you're looking to get him too. Look, with that you can actually get him with a sniper, looking down the scope with his cyclop eye. It's really good. And another set out this month of November 2021 are the brothers, was it Mishaku and Narien, part of the Republic of Yamato as well, some security detail. That set is also sold out on the Pia Club, so if you want that, try and find it elsewhere. But using the same bucks as these guys from the looks of things. The designs I'm really loving though. Look at that. It looks right into that scope there. And then the final ones that we know of the Republic of Yamato will be the release in December, the double pack, referred to as the Kaiho Shield set, which is still available. I've pre-ordered mine already, and that'll complete what was first teased of the Republic of Yamato. Brilliant figures so far. If these two figures are any indication, I'm definitely all in for this lot. Looks like that these are going to be different bucks, much like the Omanga bucks are different to your standard sort of Acid Rain World stuff. Looks like Kit Lauer's is gone from the ground up with these sets, and all the better for it. Right, let's check out this Omanga. I'm going to do head swaps, because these guys look like they'd be right for little head swaps if you're getting a few of them. Look at that. And let's get this one off the Abaddon Reborn Trooper. That's the CQC head I used on the Reborn Trooper. Look, see? Like twins. Works well on these guys there. Get the helmets on. Yeah, I think the helmet works on a Kaiho figure. Let's try the other one. Yeah, that helmet looks better on the Kaiho Defense Officer. The Norinu one, nah, not so much. Let's try the Kaiho head on the Reborn Trooper, which, yeah, I thought so. It looks actually alright on this guy. Look at that. Burly. Big. These guys are like as wide as the Reborn Trooper, but obviously not as big. That head looks alright on the Norinu. Not too bad. And this one, Norinu head on Kaiho. So if you want, a bit of variety there if you like. So if these interest you in any way, definitely grab them where you can find them. They're brilliant figures in my opinion, and I'm definitely all in. Anyway, I'll scale you later.
Hey you scallywags! Today we've got these two fellas from the Republic of Yamato.
If you could hurry up there, dear chum. Yep, we've got places to go and things to see.
Okay, why don't you guys take it away then?
You need to like, comment and subscribe, you scallywags.
Also check out the Patreon, patreon.com/scallywagstv.